Hello, this video is to assist you with creating custom categories. Your reason for creating a custom category would be to have complete control over what products are showing up in a given category link or dropdown. This way you can select each and every one instead of depending on the way that the suppliers send us the data. The way to do this would be to go to your admin, and we would go into the products area and go to categories. Now keep in mind that the categories are being fed to us by the suppliers, and we have many suppliers that update and provide data in a certain format. To create your own custom category, you'll add a category here. We're going to give it a name. We'll give it a code. And now you can either make it a parent category or a child category. We're going to leave it as a parent category. I'm going to grab the name here and place it here. If you have an image that you want to be shown on there, you could upload that here. And you can also control the sort order. So we can go by product name, price, or sort order. So the sort order, the lowest number that you assign would show up first, and the highest number that you assign would show up last. And that sort order would be assigned on the product detail page in the back end right here. So the lower the number, the higher it shows up. The higher the number, the lower it shows up. We're going to go ahead and create this. So we've created this custom category called Top Selling Tops. And there are 0 products here. So what we want to do is we want to assign products to it. To do that, we're going to go to the Products module and go to View Products. I'm going to type in the word top here just to grab a handful of tops. We'll just select these at random. And now I'm going to take these products and I am going to assign them to that custom category. We're going to do that by clicking on the Edit button here and going to Assign Selected Products to a category. It's asking us if we're sure, so we type in the number that they assign us there and we click on Assign Categories. It now pulls up all the categories that are available. I'm going to scroll down until we get to the top sellers. And now I'm going to assign these products to this category. I'll click Assign. And now I've taken care of it here in the admin. And if we go back to our categories module, we'll see that there are now 10 products showing up in the top sellers. Alright, so we've created that, we've added the products to the category. Now we need to be able to show this to our clients or customers on the front end. So we'll go back to the front end. We're going to click on Edit, and we're going to go to the CMS, the Content Management System, and go to the Menu Builder. It's going to ask us if we want to leave. Yes, we want to leave to the Menu Builder. I'm going to go ahead and create a drop down here. So we're going to call this Top Sellers as an example. If we had a parent category, we could put it here. Since we don't, we're just going to drag in a widget here. So I'm going to grab in the specific widgets, specific categories, click into here, and I'm going to scroll down for the top sellers. I'm going to give this a name here, and I'm going to click Insert. So now we see that we have our top sellers showing up here and the top selling tops. Now I want to save that so it's showing up on the front end. You'll note here that it says Specials is the last one. Once I click Save, we now see that top sellers are showing up. So now we are going to go back to the store. We can click onto the top sellers and go to the top selling tops, and it's going to take us to that page we created with those 10 products. Hope this tutorial has been helpful, and thank you for listening.